experiencing problems sending picture messages on Straight Talk, it's often related to your phone's connection settings. MMS, or Multimedia Messaging Service, needs a working data connection to send photos, videos, and audio. The most common causes are incorrect APN settings, outdated carrier settings, or temporary data connectivity problems. This section will guide you through the initial troubleshooting steps to quickly resolve these issues. First, ensure your mobile data is turned on. A simple restart of your device can also clear temporary glitches. If the problem persists, move on to the next steps involving APN and carrier settings. If a restart doesn't fix your MMS issues, let's explore more technical solutions. First, check your APN settings, access point name, which tells your phone how to connect to Straight Talk's network for data and MMS. Check and correct your APN in your phone's mobile network settings under access point names. Next, ensure your carrier settings are up to date. On iPhones, you can update these via Settings, General, About. Finally, try toggling your mobile data off and on, or enabling airplane mode briefly. This forces your phone to re-establish its connection. If problems continue, reach out to Straight Talk support for further assistance.